Hi, I'm going to show you how to use PebblePad. We're going to start by creating the first assignment for OCC 101, which is called the personal statement. To find PebblePad, the best place to start is Blackboard. Go to the menu on the left-hand side and click PebblePad. Here, you'll actually see that there's a link to PebblePad and also more information about PebblePad, which you can come back to later. Okay, once we get into PebblePad, we want to click Get Creative. We're going to use a page, and because I love visuals, you might be the same, or you might like the words. Start wherever is right for you. I'm going to replace my image first. One of my favourite images I've already uploaded. You can upload over here any image you like. I'm going to upload this one here, and then I'm going to put my name in, my demo student name in. I could also resize the image if I wanted to. By pressing here, you can go and change the size. There's large, auto, medium and small. There's also where you want the positioning. But I like it how it is, so I'm going to leave that how it actually was uploaded. I'm going to add some content. There are a range of things, so we can see the banner already. There's one called text. There's another called image. You can upload your own videos and your own audio. You can embed code from other places. Sometimes that creates some interactive things. Even YouTube clips, actually they fit really well in that one. And a quote. I'm going to go for some text, and that it automatically populates here. And I'm going to put a picture in. So I'm going to grab this, but I'm going to drag it over because I want it to be next door to the text. Just resize that a little bit. And of course I need to get a picture. I uploaded this earlier, but I'll show you how I did that. I click upload and then I drag a file there. And then you rename it. And confirm. That's going to load in that spot, and you can see I can actually reload it. I'm just grabbing the handle at the bottom, and over here I'm going to write my personal statement, and I'm going to use all of the guidelines given in the description of the assessment task, which is available to you in Blackboard. I'm going to add a quote at the bottom because I really like quotes, and I'm going to use Mahatma Gandhi's. And now I'm going to save it. I'm going to say my name because that makes it easier to find. Confirm that. Now I'm just going to preview it and see what that's like. Okay, so I could write I'm happy to put my personal statement in there as 500 words. I might do a few things like maybe change the size of the text. I might make that a little bit smaller, a little bit more space for text. I could also put in some text underneath and make that sort of stretch around. So let's have a look at that. Save and preview. Okay, so it looks to me like that's going to be plenty of space for my personal statement, like my quote. All right. Okay, so I like what I've got for now, and I'm going to share it. So sharing is an important step because that's submitting it for assessment. I want to share, and I want to share it for assessment. And of course, you won't have as many groups at this point of your degree. You want to find this one here, OCC 101, Sem 1, 2018, Task 1. Click that. Terms of use, yes, 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 you've used everything that was yours to use, and then you click Share for Assessment. Now I'll get an email to tell me that that's been successfully shared, which is great. I'll also know that there'll be a banner across it next time I open it saying this has been successfully shared. I'm just having a look here in my asset store, and there it is. I can go back in and get it. This asset has been shared for assessment. Okay, so assets are the things that you build and you own, or you have worked in, and later on we'll look at resources because I'm going to give you a workbook to work in, and that'll be a resource, and once you work in it and save it, it becomes an asset.